What if you could submit any automation workflow and have AI automatically optimize its structure, performance, and cost in seconds? Hello, I'm Rahul Joshi. In this video, I'll show you an AI-powered workflow optimizer that accepts an n8n workflow via webhook, analyzes its structure using GPT-4o, improves node efficiency and organization, and returns a fully optimized workflow ready to import. Step 1. Receive workflow JSON via webhook. This webhook starts the workflow when a post request is received. It accepts the incoming n8n workflow JSON from an external source. Step 2. Extract and validate workflow payload. This code node checks whether the incoming request contains valid data. It verifies that the body workflow field exists before continuing. Step 3. Optimize the workflow using AI agent. This AI agent takes the submitted workflow JSON and analyzes it for improvement. It is instructed to optimize performance, cost efficiency, node structure, and overall cleanliness. Step 4. Power the optimization with Azure OpenAI. This Azure OpenAI chat model provides the intelligence for the AI agent. It uses the GPT-4o-mini model to process the workflow and generate the optimized version. Step 5. Parse and validate the optimized JSON. This code node cleans the AI response and removes any formatting noise such as markdown wrappers. It then parses the returned text into valid JSON and checks for required workflow structure like nodes and connections. Step 6. Convert the optimized workflow into a file. This node converts the validated optimized JSON into a file. It prepares the workflow in downloadable JSON format. This makes the result easy to return and reuse. Step 7. Return the optimized file to the caller. This webhook response node sends the generated file back to the original requester. It returns the optimized workflow as binary data. This is how AI can improve the systems that run your automation. If you value intelligent, scalable workflows, subscribe. I'll see you in the next build.